Hi everyone, this is my Project 1 demo for the unofficial guide. I built a system that lets students ask questions about Virginia Tech dining and get answers from real student opinions on Reddit and Google reviews, since the official Virginia Tech dining website doesn't really tell you what students actually think about the food. So to the left over here are 10 documents, so 2 of them are Google reviews, and then one of them is a official Virginia Tech dining page, and then all of these other files are all Reddit ones, like Reddit threads I got, and I save them all as plain text files. Now, if we look at this right here, this file reads all the documents and breaks them into 300 character chunks with 50 character overlap. So each chunk captures one opinion without mixing their different reviews together. Next, let's take a look at this. So this file embeds each chunk using all mini LM L6 V2, stores them in ChromaDB, and when you ask a question, it finds the 5 most relevant chunks and passes them to the Groq AI to write a grounded answer. So now let's run some queries. So Python. Let that run for a bit. Okay, so now let's open this link. So I just switched my screen, and now let's ask this some questions. So the first question, which dining plan do students recommend for first year students living on campus? Let's ask. So we get a response. It says student recommend the smallest plan for the first year living on campus as they often have money left over at the end of the semester. And you can see it got this information from Reddit, the dining plan worth it. So basically the Reddit dining plan worth it TXT is basically the source citation, which is exactly the right document where it's getting the information from. So this worked well because that thread was specifically about dining plan advice, so the retrieval found the right chunks immediately. Now let's run another query question. What vegetarian vegetarian options are available at home according to students? Let's ask this question. So the answer reads, at Owen, some of the vegetarian options available include various types of bowls with options of vegetarian protein or no protein. Specifically, one swaps dip between tofu stir fry and vegan bulgogi, and variable regularly has vegetarian options. Occasionally, Pops will have vegetarian burger options, and these are where it got its information from. So this actually worked well because the Reddit thread was specifically about vegetarian dining on campus, so it pulled it, retrieved it from the right chunk. But it was slightly off because it pulled something from Google Reviews D2 right here. But other than that, the answer was accurate and the main source was correct. Let's do our final query, which is, what do students say about wait at D2 during lunch? Okay, so the answer it gives us is according to the review, there's no wait at D2 during lunch. And this is the source it got from. And this is where it retrieved all its information from. This, in my case, I would say is a failure because the system said there is no wait at D2, which is wrong. What happened is the Google review had a metadata label, wait time, no wait. That got cut off from its review during the chunking and became its own standalone chunk. The system matched the isolated label instead of finding the real student opinions, which gave a completely wrong answer. So now let me switch my screen over to right here. So here's my evaluation report, and 3 questions came back accurate: the dining plan, vegetarian options, and D2 value questions. Turner's place complaints were partially accurate. It got the long lines right, but missed some specific details. And the wait time question was inaccurate, which I just showed. Now let's go to the failure case analysis. So here's where I documented exactly why it failed, the root cause, and was fixed character chunking, separating metadata from its context, and the fix would be chunking by individual review instead. So overall, the system works pretty well. For questions where the answers focus in one document, like dining plan advice or vegetarian option, it struggles when the relevant information gets fragmented during chunking, which is what happened with the wait time question. If I were building this for real users, I would switch to chunking by individual review and maybe add a filter to remove structured metadata labels before chunking. But as a first rack system, I think it does what it's supposed to do. Answers questions about Virginia Tech dining using real student opinions with source citations. Thanks for watching.